Germany and Japan.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful. But I think the development of artificial intelligence.
Let's get back to the time when Elon Musk, the legendary future man, once said,
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Well, there might be some of his disciples busy marking his words, but besides this horrible claim, what good aspects of the AI he missed? What we are going to discover in this video is quite the opposite of danger. Yes! Today, I am going to show you how AI is revolutionizing the healthcare system and what miracles it has brought to the world, and many more coming in the near future. So stick around, guys, because you are going to learn everything important and also proving Elon wrong finally. So, what revolution are you all expecting the AI to make in the healthcare system, huh? Jot your ideas down and just follow me. But before we go into details about all the revolutions AI is bringing or has already brought into our healthcare system, it's crucial to release what limitations and challenges already exist in the system that AI can resolve for us.
Artificial intelligence is being used to expand the power of radiology and medical imaging.
Technologies are new phase of evolution. Do not adapt to it, will become extinct.
Well, we all know that access to quality healthcare has always been a basic challenge for all areas and for countries that are underdeveloped. This is mainly because of the high costs associated with some medication, which subsequently leave a financial burden on the healthcare system. If this wasn't enough, the issue of healthcare provider shortages makes the system even more challenging. This not only leaves the already barren hospitals more barren with staff, but also paves the way for potential harms like inefficient treatment, which also proves the old saying, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Totally right. So with these challenges in mind, what do you all think is going to make healthcare more accessible, fair, and complete everywhere? The answer is not a human being for sure. Then, okay, we are left with only one option, and that is AI. To start, I would like to ask you a question. How much time does it take a doctor to diagnose your disease? Quite long, right? You have to go through a lot of testing and whatnot, and still sometimes that even without diagnosing the disease accurately. So what if I tell you there is an AI diagnosing your disease in a matter of seconds, and that is 100% accurate as well?
What that means is we use artificial intelligence to automatically detect patients with specific diseases, like a stroke or an aneurysm. Probably the biggest misconception about AI is that it might replace people's jobs in healthcare. But those of us in healthcare know just how complicated healthcare is. AI is there to assist, right?
Yes, you heard that right. But how does it do it? AI algorithms can analyze a range of information including 2D, 3D imaging, biosignals, vital signs, demographic data, medical history, and laboratory test results. This advanced technology empowers healthcare providers to make decisions regarding patient care. By processing and interpreting this amount of data, AI significantly enhances prediction accuracy, speed, and efficiency in the diagnostic process. It doesn't stop here. One of the benefits of AI in diagnostics lies in its capacity to analyze images, such as X-rays, MRIs, ultrasounds, CT scans, and DXAs. It assists healthcare professionals in identifying and diagnosing diseases. Now, if we could just fit this AI in those parts of the world where healthcare professionals are fewer or they don't have the necessary knowledge to diagnose a disease correctly, it will just solve a lot of problems. AI's effects are more far-reaching than we can ever imagine. It has brought about a revolution in the field of drug discovery through its use of modeling. This enables it to quickly identify drugs, saving a lot of time and money. By analyzing datasets with the help of AI, we have seen advancements like the creation of a new drug molecule for obsessive-compulsive disorder and repurposing existing drugs for diseases such as ALS. The continuous impact that AI is having on this industry holds promise for speeding up the development of treatments and therapies, completely transforming the pharmaceutical field. The AI keeps on surprising us at every turn that we take. In another wonderful way, AI is revolutionizing the healthcare system by its integration into remote patient monitoring. It's like you don't have to travel long distances to reach the hospitals. This is especially the case in areas where hospitals are less or very far. Also, it can be seen how AI is enhancing patient care, improving efficiency, and enabling early intervention. By continuously analyzing vast patient data, including vital signs, AI algorithms play a crucial role in the early detection of health deterioration, alerting healthcare providers to subtle deviations from established baselines. This proactive approach not only enhances patient care, but also reduces hospitalizations and improves patient outcomes. AI's role in personalized treatment plans and predictive analytics further elevates patient care quality, promoting medication adherence and empowering patients to take an active role in their healthcare. AI health miracles are expanding day by day. Now that we have robot doctors, what else would the health department need? However, these are not the humanoid droids portrayed in science fiction films. They are sophisticated and intelligent machines designed for specific tasks. In 2017, a robot in China successfully passed the medical licensing exam, relying solely on its AI capabilities. During the same year, the first semi-automated surgical robot was employed to delicately suture blood vessels as narrow as 0.03 millimeter. Presently, state-of-the-art hospitals are teeming with intelligent machines. Surgical robots exhibit precision that rivals the most skilled surgeons, while a Chinese robot dentist equipped with AI can autonomously perform intricate dental procedures. Additionally, intelligent robots serve as transport units and provide recovery and consultation support. While most of these robots are not entirely autonomous, they hold immense potential to revolutionize medical procedures. Most people imagine keeping their personal doctors or health assistants, but they just can't keep one because of the cost related to it, or even if they can afford it, there are not many assistants available. But this shouldn't be an issue anymore, as we have the powerful AIs around the corner. The rise of the Internet of Medical Things, IoT, and advanced AI has led to a range of consumer-focused products that aim to improve well-being. In recent years, we've seen the introduction of apps, wearable devices, and discrete monitors that consistently gather data and monitor vital signs. These gadgets utilize the collected information to provide recommendations to address any abnormalities. The majority of these devices store data either locally or in cloud storage, allowing medical professionals to access it and incorporate it into a patient's records. What we have discussed so far is just the tip of the iceberg. In the coming years, we are going to witness breathtaking technologies taking place in the healthcare system. Now, you might be guessing what these technologies can be. Let me give you a short tour of the future of healthcare with AI. Medical companies are going to use AI to improve patient engagement in a new way. We know that chatbots are not a new thing, but using these to engage with patients and provide exact answers to their queries is just another thing, my friend. It's also expected that medical companies start providing clinical trials while taking AI in the loop. This will enhance how we timely produce vaccines and medicines for the novel diseases that are going to appear in the future. As we know, AI is something that works really quickly, so it won't be a problem if we are attacked by another pandemic like COVID-19. AI is also set to revolutionize healthcare by triaging patients, which rules out the former ability to diagnose the disease of a potential patient. How is it so? The AI will learn from the patient's history, symptoms, and a lot more things. This will make the doctors learn about the specific problem with the patient and ultimately provide treatment on time. Right before we jump into the last one, if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. AI proves to be an amazing tool in the field of telemedicine and post-hospital discharge patient assessment. Now, rather than requiring patients to visit the hospital for checkups, individuals can complete questionnaires, and AI-driven wearable devices are capable of alerting medical staff, whether it's for an in-person appointment or in response to a critical health situation. As we reach the end of this video, I would like to pay tribute to the exceptional miracles AI has brought to our world, where novel diseases are rampantly making our lives hard. To all those people and areas of the world where the basic right to health has been a challenge, AI has provided valuable assets that can make lives better. It's not very far that one day we will see AI taking control of our whole health system and making it reach the highest levels possible. Do you think the AI will replace doctors? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't miss our video over here.